Lumio's instant editing options and live delivery let teachers seize spontaneous learning moments during live lessons. While delivering a lesson, use the plus button to instantly add activities. The whiteboard option inserts a blank page for brainstorming, solving problems, sketching models, and more. This page can be converted into an individual handout, group workspace, or whole class whiteboard so that students can organize ideas, build mind maps, and make connections. Want collaboration right away? Select Whole Class Whiteboard to give students immediate access for shared participation, gather ideas, check understanding, or have students solve problems together. You can toggle student contribution off at any time to refocus the class. Add a shouted out activity to quickly poll students or collect ideas, such as examples tied to the lesson, one-word summaries, or real-world connections. Use the gear icon to turn off display names for anonymity. Need math tools in the moment? Insert a Desmos graphing calculator to explore tables, graphs, functions, and more. With Lumio, teachers can easily capture real-time learning, discussions, and collaboration, turning them into meaningful, engaging, teachable moments.